How you going? Yeah, Jackie boy back here. Mum and Dad are away for the weekend, so told him I'll do a bit of bloody farm work for him, help him out a bit. Put the bloody tools down, put the goober on. Let's get into it. Come on, old girl. Okay, chill out. You know what it bloody looks like. We're going to get a bit of bloody rain tonight. We might start the tractor up and bloody plough a bit, eh? Let's do it. Mate, this tractor here, got nothing on the John Deere, but I'm telling you what, my first ever tractor, mate, I've done some shit on this. I've done some bloody work. I've ploughed some paddocks with this one. She starts up every bloody time. Come on, old girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't do it to me now. Don't do it to me. The bloody spark plugs again. Shit. Yeah. She was loose. Righto, she'll start up now. Come on, old girl. There's a bit of vibration there. Not today. Dad, tractor's not working again. Yeah, I tightened up the spark plug. Mate, it's about to rain. It does need a bit of flouring. Oh, well, you could have told me that then, couldn't you? Righto. Have a good weekend. Righto. Love you too. Bye. He doesn't need any ploughing, but I think he wants the lawn mowed. She's pretty bloody long. So, now I don't know which husky we want. We're going to go with this one today. Righto. Put that down. Come on. Pretty sure, Dad said kick the bastard 3 times. That should do it. That'll do it. Come on. Dad, the bloody mower's not starting now. The lawn's long as shit, mate. I have kicked it 3 times. Thing's tight. You know what it is, a piece of shit, mate. Right. Nah, all good. I won't call you again. Righto. Bye. Right. Let's jump on the bike. I'll go down, I'll show you all my pets. Righto. Fucking beautiful little Japanese brands. Never let you down. Let's jump on up. She's in the gear. Come on. And the choke. And the petrol. Bloody full. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! I'll be bugging! That's what's wrong with it. The front axle is connected to the motor, which means this clicky bit here doesn't turn on at all, which means the bike doesn't bloody go, does it? Plus, the chain shaft wasn't connected to the fuel injector, which means the tyres are flat. Leave that up to Dad. Righto, let's go. I've made him the best little coop down here. There's no fox getting in here. Ryan, how you going? Good, mate. Oh, shit. The foxes have gotten in here again. Don't film in there. Shit, what am I going to tell Dad? Dad, I've fed the chooks. See that? Yeah. No, the chooks are fine, mate. They're all here. Righto. See ya. I'll show you the sheep. They're just over here if you want to come this way. Shit. I've left the gate open. Shit. They're all gone. We better... Should we call Dad? I'll call him after we check on the bloody cattle. That's not a good sign, but they're probably all in the shed here. I don't know how. What happened to them? This gate's shut. What am I going to tell Dad? What am I going to tell him? We've got 2 cows here. We've got no chooks. The foxes have got them. I've left the gate open. The sheep are gone. Oh, shit. Not much we can do. Second time has got me. Christ. Oh, fucking... You know what I need? A bloody beer, bit of country music, and just to sit down. Bloody hell. God, today's gone to shit. farm with no animals, eh? Don't you just love it? Nothing like a hard day like today. Sit down, get on the guitar, give it a bit of a workout. Isn't it just relaxing? Shit, who's this? Hello, Dad? Yeah, the sheep are all there. Yeah, I did close the gate last night, so there's nothing wrong. All the chickens were there and I collected all the eggs. Don't calm down. No need to be yelling at me. I've done everything. Have a good one. Take care. Bye. Everything's gone. I've done nothing. I need another beer. Just gonna sit up here and finish me beer. Look at the bloody mountains here. Oh shit! They're home early! They're home early! Get inside! Clean it up! Oh shit. Righto guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my tradie videos. I'll probably be sort of down here somewhere. Righto, cheers. Now I've actually got to go start ploughing.